Once you've gathered information through self-monitoring over at least a couple of weeks, you might be able to see patterns emerging that give you an idea about your specific challenges for weight loss. From these patterns, you can develop what is known as a functional assessment of eating behavior. A functional assessment is a review of all the different factors associated with your own individual eating pattern. Some of the things to look for are certain patterns of eating. For example, are you skipping breakfast or eating one really large meal? Are specific situations associated with most of your food intake, such as parties? Are you experiencing social pressures to eat? Are many of your calories coming from one specific source, such as fast food or alcohol consumption? Are portion sizes too large? Are you experiencing cravings for certain foods? Sometimes identifying one small factor contributing to weight gain can be a very significant step towards successful weight loss. Although it's typically best if self-monitoring is done continuously, self-monitoring over a number of weeks can give you at least a glimpse at specific patterns that should be targeted. Self-monitoring can also help you to be successful in staying on track with your weight loss goals if done over periods of time that are typically very challenging, such as holidays. Now, I know it's not easy to self-monitor, but the information you can get from it can really help you to be successful. Once you've monitored over at least a couple of weeks, write down a list of different factors that appear to be related to overeating. Also, see if you can identify any obvious sources of excess calories that you could target for reduction. For example, this might include fast foods, sodas, or alcoholic beverages. Now, I've seen plenty of instances where just reducing intake from one source of calories, such as sodas or alcohol, can make a big difference. However, if you find that alcohol intake is accounting for a lot of calories, it's a good idea to get a more thorough assessment of your drinking from a mental health professional. Once you've identified certain things that appear to be getting in the way of your weight loss, you can develop a more specific intervention for weight loss tailored to your individual situation and needs. You'll likely find several titles in the iMetabolic video library that can provide you with information to help you tackle your specific weight loss challenges.